welcome back. My name is Rebekah, never Becky, and today I'm talking about my first PR package. That's right guys, I have my first PR package and I'm opening it with you guys. I'm so excited. So I will let you guys know it's called Vesca Beauty. This is the box that it came in, guys. This is their shades of bronzer. They're so brown skin girl friendly. I love it. I will show you guys in person. Like, this is what it looks like. I have one bronzer here. Sorry guys, I have another bronzer here. I already opened it, of course I had to. And I also have two of their primers, which one is called Sunrise and this one's called First Blush. So these are some really cool products that I will be showing you guys in this video, how I used it, and I actually applied it to my eyes as well. These colors are beautiful, and I will say yes, this is a sponsored video. I'm proud to announce that this is a sponsored video by Vesca Beauty, guys. So let's just get into this video. Okay guys, I'm gonna be jumping right into this video with you guys because I'm so excited to tell you guys that I've received my first PR package. Like, it's unreal and I'm excited. So let me just stop talking about my excitement and show you guys that Vesca sent me my first PR package, which I'm really truly honored to receive this because I noticed that their products are for the brown skin girls, and for me that's everything, because just getting their bronzers, they let me choose two bronzers and they also let me choose two primers for your face. I want to show you guys these primers. It's really so cool. So I will tell you now that I have I have First Blush on my face. I'm so sorry guys, I didn't show you guys that part. I really wasn't thinking about it until I was like, oh, I needed to show you guys that I used it, but I'm sure you believe me. So Sunrise is on my hand and now I'm adding First Blush. I literally just got these today. This is why I don't know the name, sorry guys. But this is some really cool, look how pretty primers these are. It's a lot of shimmer, guys. This is not just like what the camera's doing. This is like, this one's called First Blush and this one's called Sunrise. This, I understand why it's called First Blush. It's so pink and vibrant. I have it on, so I'm assuming it's probably giving me a little shimmer as well. Sunrise, I want to know what benefits it has, like why they're called those. So I'm gonna use them more and we're gonna get back onto how is it beneficial for you. So I will do more and see how good it lasts underneath. I want to say there's two more shades that I did not even choose that's so here for us brown skin girls. These were the colors I've chosen. There's two darker shades than this, guys. It's by Kiss again and it's called Vesca Beauty. You guys, I'm probably butchering the name. Again, I got it for the first time today. And I'm in love. So I'm gonna stop talking and starting, right? Like, I can't even wait to get my hands on this. This is so cool. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, guys, and I'm gonna go in with my palette. Actually, I'm gonna switch up my mind right now. I'm gonna go in and start in with my Juvia's palette. You know, I feel like it's only appropriate to stay in theme of all black owned beauty products. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna stay true to this right now. And you know, whatever isn't broke, don't fix it, is how I feel about stuff. So what I'm just doing right now is taking Madagascar out of Juvia's place and I'm just applying it to the outer sides of my eye, so I can just start this, you know, this look for you guys. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and switch brushes and I'm gonna go in with Morocco, this pretty color. So this is the color I just used and now I'm going in with this one. I'm like low-key obsessed with orange and I think it's because of the hair. I have never gravitated towards orange this much until I changed the color of my hair, honestly. So I'm just gonna be trying out Lip Bar other color. It's called Hot Tamale, this color here. It's so pretty. I couldn't wait to come back to this color. It's a liquid eyeshadow and she has a few and I think she came out with another one. Hopefully, you know, we can get a chance to work together, Lip Bar, and I can start getting a hold of some of these colors because they're so nice. I mean, even if I don't work with you, I'm buying your stuff anyway, you know what I mean? But you know, that would be so cool. But I love the colors that she has. It's just really bold and you don't have to try hard. It's really nice when you want to like hurry up and get out the door. That's why I like the colors, because it's so vibrant and you don't have to work hard. It's like, it's already there. It's doing the work for you. So I just went in with Morocco, because I couldn't say that, Morocco in the inside of my eye, and I'm just blending it out right now. That's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So what I'm actually gonna go ahead and do is take this pretty little bronzer, and I'm actually gonna use it on my eyes because it's such a nice brown. I'm just gonna go in and just kind of like give myself a little definition in the corners here. I love to like use all the products that I have. Like sometimes I'm in a jam or I'm out and about and it's like, hey, we're gonna go and get drinks, so I don't have like all the things that I want to make myself feel a little bit better after work. So what I used to do is use like highlighters that I may have had in my purse or a bronzer, and I will actually throw it on my lid of my eye. Like I do it all the time. But I'm gonna go in with Lip Bar, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this beautiful color on my eye. And I'm gonna just bring it up a little bit. This is so pretty. Lip Bar, like, I don't know where we have been, why I feel like I have never, like I've heard of Lip Bar, don't get me wrong. I definitely have heard of Lip Bar, but I just feel like no one talks about Lip Bar to remind me that Lip Bar exists. So I'm doing that for everyone. Lip Bar exists, it's at Target, guys. Go get you some. Okay guys, so now that I have that on my eye, what I'm gonna go ahead and do is what I did last time, and that just take this e.l.f. brush, and what I'm gonna go ahead and do is blend out these harsh lines. If you don't get to these lines quick enough, honestly, it will dry where they're at, and that's not what we want. Because it's liquid, it's a lot easier to move around, so don't forget to move it around once you put it on your lid. It's gonna be a little tough because, you know, depending on what brush you're using, like I'm using this e.l.f. brush, but because it's so dense of a brush, it's kind of harder to move this product, but I honestly would be sad if I had to use any other brush. Just because it's such a wet product that the denser brushes are better for me to use, but it just takes a lot longer because it is dense. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm gonna go back in because I want this color to pop and I want you guys to see it. And so I'm just gonna go back in and kind of just fill in wherever I feel that it has moved a little way too far away from out of my eye. And I'm just gonna reapply. Okay guys, so we're almost there. I'm gonna go ahead and with this nice, I know my palette looks crazy guys, I told you I dropped it, but because my girl dropped me a comment to go ahead and put a little alcohol in it and to heal it, it did guys, so look, I can carry it again. Thank you, girl. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. I did add some bronzer, but I'm gonna go ahead and add more guys. This bronzer has me completely obsessed. It's so skin-like, like it is truly like skin when you put it on. Can you guys see that? Like I'm gonna change up the color now. I'm going with the darker shade. But it's, first of all, the smell alone, if you guys are not into like your products having strong scents, I will definitely tell you guys, this has a strong scent. It's like pina colada. It smells really good, but if that's not your thing, I definitely would suggest not turning to it because it does have a very strong scent. And I know some people kind of don't like that too much, but it doesn't bother me. I like it. Again, I'm going back in over with this lighter shade. Look, you guys, I'm obsessed. Like, I officially found my problem child again. Like, I love to find things that I'm obsessed with, and I'm so glad that they reached back out to me and they decided to work with your girl, because these bronzers I'm officially addicted to. And they're not that expensive, guys. They're only $30 and they're worth it. I kid you not. Again, I have 2 shades and the other 2 shades are darker than these 2. So they're brown skin girl friendly. Like, I love them. I'm gonna go in with my blush palette, guys, to finish out this look from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go in with this orange because a girl is obsessed with the orange. I'm gonna get a little bit of that one in there as well. And I'm gonna go right here on the cheeks. Oh my gosh, guys, I don't even think I need highlighter. That's how pretty this color is. I don't even need highlighter. I'm gonna do the same to this side. Whoo, like, excuse me, hair, move out of my way, honey. This color alone, guys, is the prettiest. Like, shh. How have I not been living with this my whole life? just too pretty for words, right? I'm actually gonna go in with my 2 favorite highlighters, just on the nose, no more, no less, that's it. That's all she's gonna get. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I am really excited about how this turned out because I've never tried their products before, and I'm not even gonna front. I've never tried their products before, and this color right here came through, okay? Came through for a girl. It definitely looked like I've been kissed by the sun, and I like the darker shades, so I definitely did mix. You guys, I didn't just use one. I used the brown one as well, and I actually added it in the eyes, on the lid of my eyes as well. So it's really cool that it almost feels skin-like. Like, I can't even explain it. For this to be a powder, and when it's on my face, it melts into the skin so well. Like, Vesca Beauty, I see you, and I am so happy that you sent me some stuff. I am thrilled because I just feel like, you know, when I'm getting introduced to new products, I'm definitely not a faker by any means. If I don't like something, I'm not gonna vouch for it. I'm vouching for the bronzers, I'm vouching for the primers, I'm vouching for them because I know for me, I'm always struggling to find good bronzer shades that doesn't make me too dark or it's not too red. These came out perfect on me. I love it. I hope you guys loved it. I hope you guys keep supporting Black-owned businesses and brands. Let me just go ahead and also tell you guys that even my bonnet is made by a Black-owned company. It's silk in the middle, silk in the inside, guys. So it's even silky, and because I wear crochets, I like to wear silk to bed on my hair so it doesn't tangle. It's not a whole bunch of that. So I use a little cheat with my crochets by using a silk bonnet, but I really like my girl's bonnet because, you know, she doesn't shy away from crazy colors, and I love that about her. So I will be leaving all of her information in the description below, guys. If you guys are in California, she is right next door to you guys. And if you guys are not in California, she has no problem shipping things to you guys. Again, I'm gonna leave my girl's information at the description below. I just feel like, you know, anytime you're getting a new product, you know, people tend to push the product and they don't really enjoy the product themselves. This is something I can truly say I stand by, and I'm using it. I can see me using it for the rest of my life because these are some really good bronzers. It's so silky smooth. It takes nothing to pick up the product. It's not like crazy. I would definitely suggest, if you're heavy-handed, not be heavy-handed on this product, guys. It's not needed. Just a little dab on the cheeks, guys, around the perimeters, and you're done. Love, love, love this. I will see you guys in my next video, and thank you so much again for watching. I love each and every one of you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Your girl's out.